Good morning everybody. We're going to have lots of fun. I'm going to be spending time with the kids. We're going to be making a lemon pie. As always, I'm going to start off my day by doing a workout. Got lots of editing to do today. Did lots of filming with the girls yesterday, which was great fun. Hope you're having a good day and I hope you enjoy this video. Hola. Hola. Here's Milky. Okay. Going down. It's so nice that they got this. It's some extra space. And it's not low either, which is important because I'm tall. So I can even do my skipping and things in here. I try and challenge myself to do 10 minutes a day of skipping. Sometimes it doesn't happen if I do a run or something, but today it's happening. Oh. Ow. Showered and changed, so it's lemon pie time. Paula, Paula, Paula. Hey, you started already? Oh my gosh.
Because you were so long.
You're so excited to get started on it.
Yeah.
Good morning, Cloud. Oh, they are so good. The Greek yogurt. Stretch your, how'd you say it? Stretch your tether. Smells really nice. You've never made a type of pastry before, right? You've only ever made cake. How long does it go in the fridge for?
1 hour.
Okay. Nice. I love.
Oh, yeah.
Now. We got all that we need. Grating lemon time. Can you smell it? It smells so nice. It smells really like fresh. There you go. What's that? Oh, corn flour.
Yeah.
Maize, yeah. It's coffee time. Oh, you only want the yolk?
I want the 2 of them, but separately.
Ah. Ah! Ah! Where's milk?
I got it with my food.
Okay. Whew. Or you can literally just hold the yolk in your hand and it all comes out. You can literally just take the yolk and then all the white drips. Nice and easy.
If it broken.
If it broke, oh, yeah, careful. And we can do the s'mores today that you've never tried.
Yeah.
We have the marshmallows. Oh, let me get a spoon. No, there's no what? You have to have a small spoon because there are no big spoons. Oh,
Yes, just this.
it's okay. It's tiny.
Oh, it's pure difficult.
That's okay. A little bit will be fine. Oh, look at your hands.
This.
Milk, lemon,
Egg. Sugar. And corn flour.
flour. Nice. I'm gonna start cleaning. We've got a lot to clean. Getting way thicker. Smells good. Make sure it doesn't burn though. It's very steamy. Oh, you could butter it in it. Hey, that looks like such a cool texture now. Oh my gosh.
Now we have to
Good job.
put it in our bowl.
Okay. Oh, it's okay. It's not hot anymore. It's good. Such a weird texture. Paula's attempting s'mores for the first time. So people do their s'mores differently. I don't always use chocolate. Sometimes I do Nutella instead. Put this with the one marshmallow on in the middle for like 10 seconds and it puffs up and that's all you need. And it goes really melted and big. And if you watch it, it will puff up. But after, look, you see it getting bigger? And then I literally put Nutella on this bit and then, and it's even better if it's chocolate covered digestives because then the chocolate melts too.
No, thank you.
Like this. And you push it and it goes like that. Oh yeah.
I love Nutella.
We're about to restart because this looks like egg. This is what we made with the custard. First time, never ever done it before, and I think it got too hot. So we need to redo.
Too bad.
Too bad. This is a fast forward till the day after. We had a huge problem with the custard last night. We basically cooked it and scrambled it as like it was eggs instead of making an actual custard. So we tried again, and now we've got the custard in the pie, and we're trying to sort out of the meringue, and we can't get it thick. We keep trying.
We have all the problems in the world.
Yeah. And we're starting again.
We repeat the cover that like the yellow thing and this.
Yeah, everything that could have gone wrong went wrong. That makes slime. Just shower gel and flour.
I think.
What? But normally you need all the crazy stuff.
I'm going to try.
Mmm.
Is white and not white? It's too white.
You probably need lots of flour for all that shower gel.
Come on, come on.
Mmm.
It's not bad.
Just getting there.
Yes, he's doing.
Hey. Oh, it does. It smells nice. You're already putting it in your hands. That's gonna stick so much clout. You need more flour. Oh. How does it look? Oh. Oh, it looks liquidy again.
No.
Oh no, it's thicker for sure. Come in. Quickly, what? Oh my gosh. You need more flour for sure.
Yes, please, more. Okay.
My goodness. Ooh, look at your hands. Nice. Give me your hands. Like.
That's going to be a cake. No! That's not fun.
Rub it in. It's getting thicker.
Okay.
It's better. It's better. They need me at the same time. Pals just called me and I'm covered in slime. But it looks like it worked. I need to wash my hands. Very satisfying.
Paula.
Sit. Et la patita. Muy bien. Milka, sit. Platz. Muy bien, Milka. Hey, all this hard work. Oh my gosh, that's a proper. Ooh.
Yo quiero.
Oh my goodness. There we go. Good verdict. I adore nights here in Benicassim in Spain. It is so peaceful. You can hear all the crickets and you can't quite tell on the screen, but it's a really gorgeous navy blue colour, the sky. And there's a slight noise from the swimming pool. So peaceful.